Yes, sir. You know, it's only right we gonna remix to this one right here. First Corinthians 10:31 saying all things you do it all to glorify God. Yeah, that's right. So you know we gonna get our dance on and we gonna use our dance to glorify God. Ain't nothing wrong with dance, but you dance for the Lord. Everybody now, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble.
Don't touch the chair. I was rooting for her. My bad. It's okay. Didn't work this time, yeah.
Alright, come on over here. Alright, listen up. Alright, you can give any instruction in your corner. Alright, no hit below the belt. Hit above the head. Be fair, okay? And if you may lose with dignity, okay? No hard feeling, alright? Alright, may the best girl win. Music!
Send the praises on. Come on, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble saints, wobble, wobble saints, wobble.
You can't win every time. Yeah.
We have to stop the fight on the second round. Was bleeding profusely from the head. We have to stop the fight. Hey, all right.
Give it up a long game. I'll go.